Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Riot police used tear gas to disperse people at the refugee camp in Calais known as the Jungle. A court order authorised crews to demolish the southern part of the camp, which began on Monday night. About 150 people threw stones at police and set fire to tents. At least 3,700 people live in the makeshift camp. The charity Save the Children says about 300 unaccompanied minors live in the southern parts alone. Most of the refugees want to go to seek asylum in the UK. Countries that are part of the Syrian peace process traded accusations in Geneva. Each side accused the other of violating the deal on the cessation of hostilities that began over the weekend. UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon says most fighting has stopped, but the High Negotiations Committee, which represents the Syrian opposition, says the regime is breaching the agreement, and that could threaten the deal. Scientists have reported what they described as a strong link between the Zika virus and a neurological disorder that can cause paralysis. The researchers analysed the blood of 42 people who were infected in a previous Zika outbreak in French Polynesia. They found that all of them began showing symptoms of Guillain-Barré syndrome about 6 days after being infected with Zika. The Zika virus, which is usually spread by mosquitoes, has also been linked to birth defects. The US Centers for Disease Control says the current outbreak has spread to more than 30 countries and territories in the Americas. The immigration minister says Canada has met its goals to take in 25,000 Syrian refugees by the end of February. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau began the refugee program after he took office last November. The resettlement cost $500 million. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.